Making a path in DreamPlan. The Path button is on the exterior tab toolbar. In Path Properties, choose the desired path style and color. Left-click where you want each corner of the path. The path is finished when you click on the first corner you placed. Continue watching for additional details on making a path. The Path tool can be used to draw sidewalks, ground-level patios, driveways, flower beds, and more. The combination of location, shape, color, and style give you many options. The Path tool has a crosshair shape that shows you exactly where you are drawing and clicking. It may also be helpful to make sure that the landscape grid is turned on when drawing a path. To draw your path, left-click at each corner of the path, then click on the first point again to close the path. It is important that you left-click to place a corner point. If you click and drag, the corner point will be added wherever you release your mouse. To create an angle in the path, hold down the Shift key when selecting the next point to left-click. Please note that paths cannot self-intersect. If this occurs, your path outline will change from white to red and you will not be able to place a corner point. While drawing your path, click the Escape button to start over. To edit the path properties, select the path. Then, you can change the style or color. You can move a selected path by clicking and dragging with your mouse. If you want to start over with your path, select it, then click the Delete icon. For more DreamPlan tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.